Okay, we have a problem called reverse sentence. So we want to reverse the words in the sentence. So in this case, example, you have the string or sentence, hello, I'm Neil, thanks. We want to output thanks, Neil, am I, hello. So like, see, thanks is the first, and hello's last, and whatnot. Yeah, so pretty, it's kind of straightforward. You want to split your original input in your sentence on white spaces, and so you have an array. Looks such as this. So you would split this into hello, I am Neil, thanks. And then what we want to do is reverse this list. And on Python, you can just do like array. I think it's this. That's a shortcut for reversing it. But just in case, I made my own little function for that, 128 to 34 here. But yeah, once you get this reversed, then you just want to join the words together into a string. So use a join, and then you return the string. Yeah, so just get to the code. So you have your S for sentence, then you have your sentence array, or your words. Maybe you call this a words array. It's a little bit better. I'm going to do that. Oops. What's the, hold on here. Words array, there. So you split your sentence, you have a words array, and then, so this is just your words length, and we'll change this to words length. And then you just want to pretty much iterate through an index. So starting at 0, and you go all the halfway through, and you just flip-flop. So you start at 0, and then you swap that with I. All right, the length of this array, which is, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 0, then minus 1, so it's 4. So you flip 0 and 4, then you flip 1 and 3, and you keep on doing that until you get to this middle. And yeah, so what you do is first you just want to create a temporary holder for the word. So this would be, the first one would be hello. And then you change the 0th index to the last index, which is thanks. And you change the last index to that 0 or temp. Then so, yeah, you just iterate halfway through it. And then when you're done with that, then you can just return a join with a white space in between. And you should get your answer, so which is, yep. So we have hello, I am Neil, thanks is the input. Oh, it's thanks, Neil, am I, hello. Switch as you want. And yeah, the time complexity of this is linear. It's pretty much a lot of work is done in this line 26 when you're splitting, so you have to iterate through all of the characters in the initial string. And that takes out the length of the string, essentially, which is linear. And the space complexity is linear as well, because we have this auxiliary array of words, and that's just the number of words there is, essentially. So yeah, time and space complexity of linear. I don't think you can do much better than that. There's a different way where you could have a stack of queues. You just iterate through the chars of the original string, and you pretty much just either put a queue of, which is elements of the string together, of each word on a stack, and once you're done iterating through that, once you hit like a space, like when you're iterating, so you'd be typing HELLO, and then hit a space, and then you quit that, and you enter this queue into a stack, and you keep doing that. Every time you hit a space, you throw on the stack, and once you ever iterate all the way through it, you just keep on popping off the things on the stack and joining the words in those queues. And I think it's the same. It's the same space and time complexity. So Yeah, just thinking about it, but this is kind of a little bit more straightforward. And yeah, if you wanted to, like a one-liner in Python, you could just do I think it's hold on here. All you got to do is your words array this. I think that should work too. This is -1, sorry. Yeah. Thanks, Neil, and hello. So, but I just wanted to show in this line of code, because if you want to do it in a different language, you don't have this shortcut of reversing. That's just one way of reversing elements in an array. So.